Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are doing a quick reset video. I'm going to be doing a ton of cleaning. I've had such a busy week this week and honestly a very busy day the day before. So this area is such a mess. You're going to see me clean my bar area, my family room, and the toy area today, as well as tidy up the upstairs, my daughter's bedroom, and the bathroom. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Helena. I'm a mom of two. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering videos for Clean With Me motivation, as well as some DIY and design. And if this is a type of content that you enjoy, I would love for you to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.
You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Crashing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild is your personal expression.
Today's morning was definitely chaotic getting my kids ready to school. The night before was pretty chaotic in our house as well. We just had a really busy schedule, and on top of everything, I did some grocery shopping and I really only put away the very bare basics. So I had some things on the countertops that really needed to get put away. I'm doing all of that today. I'm clearing off the countertops and just getting this area downstairs completely reset and clearing everything off, and I just want a clean and happy space.
Tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire.
I definitely love open shelving in the kitchen, in the bar area. Now, this is a kind of problematic area for me because this area just gets cluttered and it doesn't always end up looking aesthetically pleasing. So right now I'm just going to reset this area, take everything off that's kind of cluttered, and put the mugs back the way they belong, put some of the glasses the way they belong, and clear off the rest of these counters.
The consequences. Wherever we're going fast. On top of the world of our independence. Laughing whenever we screw it up. Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm,
With yesterday's Costco and Sam's Club restock, I'm going to go ahead and refill this refrigerator. And usually my kids actually are in charge of this, but since they're at school, I'm going to go ahead and put the sodas away and just kind of throw it in here so it's accessible. I will say that I absolutely love this mini fridge, and this space is not designed for this mini fridge. This mini fridge is basically like an afterthought. My husband actually bought it for his clients at work. He changed companies, changed jobs, so he ended up bringing this home and we ended up using it. This is the only space that we can probably put it in this house, but this mini fridge has been so great because all of our drinks, all of our sodas, anything else that we have, waters, they're always cold, and I love it.
breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire.
So this play area does tend to get really sloppy really fast. It just gets cluttered, disorganized. And what I'm doing right now, because this is only my daughter's toys over here, this is all of her Barbies, I'm putting everything into a bin and I'm gonna clear everything off, vacuum, and put these bean bags back into the spot.
You're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together.
In last few of my videos, I have been talking about this Zep Wall Cleaner, but I am so obsessed, you guys. I have small little children. I have a 6-year-old and an 8-year-old. We spend a lot of time outdoors. We spend a lot of time at the track. We come home and our fingers and our hands are dirty. We can't always wash when we're like at the track, like clean our hands. So we come home and we are just kind of filthy sometimes. So their little handprints tend to get all over the walls, and I wish you could see how dirty these walls actually are. It's really hard to see on camera. I will capture it one day. But this Zep Wall Cleaner, I've been going around the entire house, and I'm only going to do little snippets in this video, but I have been cleaning so much of my wall and my baseboards, and it has been the best. I do have it linked in the description. You can go ahead and find it on Amazon. It will be shipped to you in like 2 days. It is awesome. It took off even some scratches off my wall. It has been such a help in cleaning my walls. Last time I cleaned my walls, I used a magic eraser, which unfortunately does take some of the paint off. This, however, does not.
Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together. To go on together. Moonlight and fire, dancing closely together and staying forever young. What about you and I then? Can we two find a way to align with each other? Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. But we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. Yeah. To go on together.
This spot on the stairs was so tragic, and I only did a little portion because I'm hoping, or I was hoping that you were able to see the difference. After the video is done and over with, I ended up going and cleaning the rest off, but I did the entire wall and the staircase, and it was awesome.
Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around. No.
Honestly, today there's so much putting just stuff away, especially after my kids. They didn't have time this morning to tidy up after themselves. They didn't put any of their things away last night or this morning. I have just been exhausted as well from our busy schedule and just a lot of things that are going on in our life. So I'm going to go ahead and do that today. And then I'm going to go ahead and I don't know if you can see that little spot right there. That's where I cleaned with the Zep Wall Cleaner, and the rest of the wall still has to be cleaned. It is so dirty.
The same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be
One thing I do want in our next house is a better homework area, homework space for them. I'm hoping that they'll just have an entire kind of room dedicated to their toys, to their homework, to games, just things that are all of theirs and they can organize themselves. Because right now everything is kind of all out in the open in the family room, which unfortunately is just ends up being everywhere.
never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with
All right, after clearing the downstairs, getting that reset and ready, I'm going to go ahead and hit up the bathroom upstairs. Now, all I really have to do here is just put a few things away and wipe the countertops down. I'm going to wipe the tub down real quick, and that's pretty much it. The bathroom is still clean. Everything is still nice and sparkly. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down the inside of the sink as well and get rid of all the toothpaste residue.
At the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing.
My daughter's bed was the only bed that was not made in the home today, so I'm going to go ahead and make her bed, throw all of her stuffed animals on there, and pick up any clothes that she's got on the floors. I'm going to go ahead and just kind of reorganize our shoes as well. Any shoes that I'm not wearing consistently will go ahead and leave just like the front door area. I'm going to clean up the living room area, and I'm going to go ahead and open the blinds for the day. I hope you enjoyed this video today and got some good cleaning motivation. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, as well as leave a comment below.